In this video you will watch what is OANS, system components and its location in Airbus A320, how to use this OANS, and system bite test of OANS with AMM procedure. So watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press bell icon for notification. OANS, Onboard Airport Navigation System. It is installed in Airbus fleet developed in conjunction with Thales. It presents flight crew with an overview map display of the airport apron and taxiways, coupled to new interactive input device to indicate the aircraft location on the map. In short, it is Google Map of apron. It helps reduce error in surface navigation, prevents runway incursion, reduces pilot workload in complex airfield, and decreases taxi time. System components and its location in Airbus A320. It contains one onboard airport navigation computer which is connected to all other systems. It is located in forward avionics compartment on first shelf 91 view, fin number 1 Foxtrot X-ray. On front face of computer there is a PCMC card installed which stores the airport navigation database. Circuit breaker located on 1-to-1 view behind first officer's seat. CCD, cursor control device to interact and control the display, one on captain side and one on first officer side. Data load receptacle for uploading of OANS softwares located on overhead panel. It contains 3 softwares: core software, ADB airport database every 28 days, operation program configuration. Check out the link in description on how to upload airport moving map database in OANS computer. Today we will see how to use OANS and how to do byte system test. Airport moving map is only displayed in inboard side on navigation display because it is hardwired via fiber optic to inboard display only. For switching it on, we will make a selection on EFIS control panel. So the mode selector switch should be in nav, arc or plan mode. We have kept it in plan mode now, and the scale should be in zoom. So we'll rotate it anti-clockwise till it reach the zoom, and here you can see the map. So we can see the map, the details on the top corner and the cursor. So for controlling the cursor we can use CCD, cursor control device with trackball and push button. Check out the link in description on how to install CCD in Airbus A320. So we'll click the push button and then we'll get the options. We'll click on menu. So we are getting here 3 options. One is map data for selection and marking for runway, taxiway, stand, etc. Second option is airport selection, which is done automatically as per your flight plan. On ground before takeoff, FMS departure airport is shown, and during landing phase destination airport is shown. But it can also be selected manually as per your ICAO code, IATA code or city name. So after selection we'll click on the display airport and we'll get the particular map for that airport. So here you can see I've selected Dubai airport, and now for zooming it in we'll rotate our scale selector in counterclockwise direction. So we can zoom it in maximum, and then we can use the trackball to navigate through the map. As I said you that the map is only available in inboard ND only. We'll confirm this now. We'll press PFD ND transfer switch. So here you can see we are getting a caution, airport navigation not available. The third option is status, which is showing us the airport database version and OPC version. This is the AMM procedure for doing the system test. It comes under chapter 34. You can pause the video and go through each step. We'll energize the aircraft electrical system and make sure the battery is on and all three ADRU is aligned. And then we'll switch on both the captain and first officer airport moving map. We'll put the mode selector in nav position and scale in zoom. Same for the first officer. And then we will use MCDU for accessing the OANS test option. We'll go in CFDS menu and then system report test. We'll go for navigation ATA chapter and then next page we'll search for OANS menu. We'll click the line key and the line key beside test. Now we are getting a OPC screen. We are getting a message for next page, turn captain EFIS mode select in clockwise direction. So we'll make a clockwise turn and here we can see the video test. So the screen seems to be okay. It says if video error turns captain EFIS mode select in counterclockwise direction. Our video test is okay, so no action is required. Sending result max 60 seconds and test OK message. So we'll print it out and then we'll normalize all the switch we disturbed. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it further. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon for notification. See you in another part of OANS.